Hillcrest Medical Center is trying to meet the needs of the large number of Zomi and Burmese people now living in Tulsa.
So the hospital has a translator and a nurse practitioner who both speak the language and can now guide families through the process step by step. News on 6's Ashlyn Brothers is live at Utica Park Clinic in Bixby with how important this help can be. Ashlyn.
Lori and Craig, this help is so important because many of these families have never had any type of health care, period. And now if a patient doesn't have the right type of medication or they need treatment, they have somewhere to go. A language barrier keeps many people who only speak Burmese and Zomi from getting the care they need.
Most of the community will speak enough English to get by day-to-day work, school, but when it comes to medical field, like the whole medical terminology is different.
Ching Thaitul was born in Burma and says since starting as an interpreter at Utica Park Clinic, she has seen lots of patients who come back and more than 300 new ones.
I asked them, why did you come to Tulsa? Why did you move to Tulsa? Did you have relatives here? They're like, well, because of services like this.
She understands what it's like to move to America and figure out English.
When we first moved here, there may be 30 of us. I went to Jinx. I think I knew like hello, goodbye, thank you. With them being a diabetic, hypertension, and having cholesterol, I always was brought to my parents' appointments with them to help them translate.
Thaitul and nurse practitioner Peng Ching created translated medical documents.
It's a great feeling. You know, you're making a difference and then making them feel better. My whole life was being prepared for this position.
Ching knows firsthand how confusing it can be for patients. It wasn't until she learned English. She learned she actually had a heart condition.
Someone had been able to understand it better of how I feel, you know, I feel like I wouldn't have gone through this for so many years.
Experts say diabetes and high blood pressure are among two of the biggest health risks that Burmese people face. Live in Bixby, Ashlyn Brothers, Oklahoma Zone, News on 6.